Welcome to Tennis Stat Pro. Today we will discuss how to score matches. The scoring interface is based on the concept of the last player to hit the ball. This approach has one exception, which allows a winning serve to be defined as one where the opponent hits the ball without making a reply. Tennis Stats Pro allows you to capture scores with different levels of accuracy. A higher level of accuracy corresponds to a greater depth in statistics. Let's start with the service. The buttons will appear on the serving player's side. This screen is also repeated for the second serve. This configuration does not include the error detail. The available buttons are In, indicating that the serve has entered and the opponent has replied. Out, indicating that the service is out or networked. Winner, this is the anomalous case and indicates that the opponent touched the ball but failed to respond. Ace, indicates that the serve has entered and has not been hit by the opponent. If the service has entered and the point is in play, the next window is accessed. In this window the buttons are repeated for the players. Pressing on one of the two columns indicates who hit the ball. The available buttons are Winner, Forced, Unforced, Return. Winner, the player who hit the ball won the shot. Forced, the player who hit the ball committed an error vitiated by the opponent's hit. Unforced, the player who hit the ball made an error on a playable ball. Return, the responding player won the point directly on the response. Once the result has been selected, we move on to select the type of shot. We now select the type of shot of the player who last hit the ball. Forehand, the player hit the ball with a forehand. Backhand, the player hit the ball with a backhand. Volley, the player hit the ball on the volley. Smash, the player crushed the ball. Drop, the player made a drop. Having set the game in the mode without player position, the system automatically estimates the position of both players. Forehand, both at the line. Backhand, both at the line. Volley, at the net only those who hit. Smash, at the net only those who hit. Now let's talk about the advanced features. Advanced functionalities refer to the taking of further information for more precise statistics. We talk about the position of the player, the type of unforced error and the type of shot. Configuration can take place, as we shall see, game by game. But you can configure how the system should behave by going to the configuration page. Select the item, game mode, and set the preferred mode for taking points. Now let's talk about the declaration of the position of the players. Activating this option in the match configuration via the player position flag. The following screen will be activated, where player positions can be defined. All net, both players at the net. All back, both players at the back of the court. Net player 1, at net only player 1. Net player 2, at net only player 2. In this way, statistics will be more accurate and effective. Now let's talk about the handling of forced errors. Activating this option in the match configuration via the Details Not Forced flag. The following screen will be activated at the service, where it can be indicated whether the service is net or offline. Activating further detail in statistics. The same parameter will also activate the handling of forced error details, where it can be defined whether the wrong shot went into the net or came out. The shot detail will also be taken for the opponent only if recorded. Finally, let's talk about the last configuration in the game, which concerns the type of shot, whether topspin or slice. Activating this option in the match configuration via the forehand and reverse flag. The shot type page will change to specify for each shot whether it is made with the forehand or the backhand. And then also accept the type of shot for forehand and backhand. We have finished. Thank you for being with us and see you in the next video.